how to bond with budgies. In the wild, budgies, also called budgies, and parakeets, spend their entire lives in flock of up to several hundred specimens. In captivity, their flock is you. Successful bonding with budgies ultimately comes down to one thing: social interaction. Your budgie needs you to treat him like a family member. If you spend time with him, bonding will naturally follow. Flock mentality. In the wild, a lone budgie is a dead budgie. Plain and simple. These birds rely on their flock for everything from locating food sources to evading predators. Just as a flock is necessary for their physical health in the wild, a flock that smiles is necessary for their emotional health in captivity. The caged bird's flock can be made up of other budgies, human companions, or both, but in most supply many hours of interaction every single day. Talking to your budgie for 20 minutes after work or school while you change his water simply isn't going to cut it. When you talk about bonding and socializing with budgies, you are talking about hours every day for the rest of his life. If you can commit the time, either don't get a budgie or get more than one in a very large cage with lots of appropriate toys. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.